Research integrity means quite a wide variety of things for me and for my colleagues as well. Because we are scholars, because we communicate with each other, we communicate with our colleagues, with our students, we do research and we do this type of activities on a daily basis. So we need to follow certain regulations, of course, and try to avoid different types of misconduct. I can name plagiarism among those things, and quite often this happens because people do not fully understand what plagiarism is. And we can also name relations of supervisors with their graduate students, or communication with journals and the pitfalls on the way of communicating with journals. For example, predator journals problem. And there are many other problems on this way, and this acknowledgement and understanding, full understanding and sharing by our scholarly community of this notion of research integrity and it's whatever it contains is quite important, because this sets the I would say daily agenda of our behavior and conduct.
Research integrity and ethics are two essential pillars that uphold the credibility and excellence of scientific work. To maintain our leadership and contribute meaningfully to global scientific progress, we must ensure that our research is conducted with the highest ethical standards and integrity. At Tbilisi State University, we recognize that a responsible and ethical research approach is not just a procedural formality. It is the very foundation of academic excellence. Research must be conducted ethically, with proper oversight, verification and adherence to established procedures. Moreover, upholding research integrity is essential for integrating TSU into the global academic community. By maintaining ethical standards, we strengthen our position in global research network, facilitate academic exchange, and contribute to the harmonization of scientific efforts worldwide. In this regard, the ethics project in which TSU successfully participates plays a vital role in strengthening institutional awareness about ethics and integrity. The initiative provides valuable guidance, promotes best practices, and further reinforces the ethical foundations of our research community. With such efforts, we can ensure that our university continues to set high academic and scientific standards while contributing to responsible and impactful research on a global scale.
Ethical research is a core value at Caucasus University. We raise awareness, provide support, and empower our community to conduct research ethically. Research shapes laws, advances medicine, and builds future. But without trust, without ethics, trust is lost, and without trust, research loses its power to create change. At Caucasus University, we believe that integrity is not just about following the rules. It's about building trust, shaping a better future. We're proud to be part of the international project on research ethics and integrity, which is funded by European Commission. Let's work together to uphold the highest standards of research and make a difference.
Hello, I'm a PhD candidate of DTMU, the member of Ethical Committee and the PBL Tutors Leader. Responsible conduct in research generally is a background for any aspect of the development of human and public life. Responsible conduct in research is highly valuable for us as for monoprofile specialized university and the members of its academic society, students or professors, as it is a theme of professionalism, ethical conduct, and responsibilities of physician. Thus, the ethics themes, including the themes of research ethics, are the issues unamenable to any types of compromise. It's not always directly clear what is ethically correct, especially in medical field researches, so always consider the interests of the patient and or the person participating in the research, obtain more knowledge concerning correct planning and implementation of the research, asks the more experienced people to avoid errors or any misconduct.
Research integrity is a fundamental principle that ensures the reliability and quality of scientific activity and involves the protection of honesty, transparency, and objectivity at all stages of research. It includes accurate data collection and analysis, transparency of methodology, avoidance of plagiarism, and fair interpretation of results. For Batumi Shota Rustaveli State University, research integrity is of the utmost importance for several reasons. First of all, it ensures the reliability and validity of scientific knowledge. Secondly, it strengthens public trust in science. Thirdly, it promotes a healthy academic research culture where truth, honesty, and transparency are valued. Batumi Shota Rustaveli State University realizes the importance of carrying out research honestly, takes responsibility to follow the standards of research ethics, to facilitate the introduction of practices focused on high-quality research and advanced academic approaches. In this way, the university aims to systematically improve its own and, in general, the quality of research activities carried out in Georgia.
Academic integrity is important to any university around the world that cares about high-quality teaching and research. Academic community agrees that there is no good scientific product, the result of research, without principles of ethics and academic integrity. This approach is shared by Akaki Tsereteli State University. It is important for us to have good quality research that builds high level of trust and reputation among students, academic staff, and society in general. This is possible only if the principles of ethics and academic integrity are maintained. It is especially vital for universities with a third mission that includes a responsibility toward the society and contribution to the development of the city, region, and country.
Hello, my name is Teona Zhuzhunadze and I'm a lecturer at Samtskhe Javakheti State University. Today I want to talk about research integrity and ethics. The main questions are: what does it mean, why does it matter, and how can we uphold its principles? Let's start with a basic question. What do we mean by research integrity and ethics? It is a foundation of fair and responsible scientific work. It ensures honesty, accuracy, and respect in research, protecting against plagiarism, ensuring data reliability, and safeguarding the rights of research participants and the environment. If research involves humans, animals, plants, or personal data, ethical approval from a research ethics committee is required to ensure that the study is conducted safely and responsibly. For example, human research must be based on informed consent, while experiments involving animals must follow strict ethical guidelines. Why is research integrity and ethics important? Violating ethical principles can have serious consequences. For example, it undermines the credibility of science, leading to false conclusions. It can result in harmful policies affecting millions of lives. It damages public trust, making future research efforts more difficult. As researchers, we must adhere to ethical guidelines, obtain proper approvals, and ensure our work contributes to truth and progress. Ethics is not a barrier, it's a foundation of meaningful and trustworthy science. Only research conducted with integrity and responsibility has the power to make a lasting, positive impact on the world.
To follow modern rules of code of conduct is very important for scientific society, not only in Georgia but worldwide. That's why it was very important for Tel Aviv State University to be part of Project Ethics, which is funded by and supported by European Union. In frame of this project, Tel Aviv State University updated and upgraded many regulations which were connected with the code of conduct and research ethics at our university, and also there was a number of trainings, meetings with scientific staff during which we have discussed the newest approaches in this field.
Research integrity is of crucial importance for Georgian Institute of Public Affairs. For this reason, we closely follow the European Code of Conduct for Research Integrity. We believe that research findings of high quality and high reliability are of central importance for academia. With this video, we would like to demonstrate our commitment to further development of research integrity at GIPA. Thank you. On behalf of the Tbilisi State Academy of Art, I affirm that upholding the principles of research integrity and maintaining high standards constitutes one of the core tenets of our institutional policy. We place a significant emphasis on fostering public trust and confidence in the research methods and outcomes associated with our institution, both locally and internationally. Consequently, we are committed to raising awareness about the importance and standards of research integrity among our new colleagues and students each year.
The National Center for Educational Quality Enhancement of Georgia emphasized the significance of the evaluation, research, ethics, and integrity in establishing fundamental values at the national level of higher education system. It is crucial to understand the challenges higher education institutions face and their needs in fostering a culture of academic integrity, including challenges related to digital modernization, for example, using artificial intelligence in an ethical manner. At the system level, it is essential to develop recommendations and best practices and a code of ethics that clearly outlines issues of academic integrity and transparency in an easily understandable manner for all stakeholders. The ETHIC project provides a great opportunity for discussion and close cooperation among all stakeholders. Once again, we would like to reaffirm our respect for the academic community and recognize the significant importance and benefits of the ETHIC projects. And we would like to thank all partners and the ETHIC management team for their tremendous work.
Research integrity is a cornerstone of credible and impactful scientific work. It encompasses principles like honesty, transparency, accountability, and ethical conduct throughout the research process. At the Shota Rustaveli National Science Foundation of Georgia, we believe that upholding high standards in research process is not only a matter of principle, but it is also our strategic priority. As a key institution in driving science, technology, and innovation in Georgia, we believe that maintaining high standards in research process is also important because it ensures competitiveness and quality of Georgian research on the global stage. As it fosters trust among our researchers, also our global partners, and the broader public in general, which ultimately contributes to our mission, which is to promote socio-economic development and enhance Georgia's integration into international scientific community.